Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Nikki here. So today I thought that I would make a video of myself doing a science experiment for you to watch, and hopefully you might try it at home. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see here, I have a tub full of, well, it's not full, but I have like maybe 2.5 inches of water in the bottom of it, and I collected some items here. Rubber ducky, I love you. And I have this little green guy here, and I have a blue Lego, and I have a piece of a pool noodle. It's purple. I have a paintbrush. I have an orange kitty cat. Meow. And I have this flat Lego piece that is gray. This is gray. So those are my items I'm going to test to see if they sink or float. Back here I have the whiteboard, and on it I wrote sink or float experiment. Okay, so I am going to try the flat gray Lego first. So I'm going to write down flat Lego. And then I'm going to put it in the water and see if it sinks or floats. Oh my! Look at that, it's floating. Can you see that? It's right here, and it's not going down to the bottom. It might be sinking just a little bit, but mainly it is floating. So now we know that this gray flat Lego floats. So I'm going to go back over here to my board, and I'm going to write F-L-O-A-T-S, floats. Now, the next item I think I will try is this kitty cat. So I'm going to write cat on the board, C-A-T. And so let's put that in the water and see if it sinks or floats. Oh, uh-oh. Look what happened to the kitty cat. You see it? It went straight to the bottom of the water. See that? Poor kitty cat. So now on my board, I'm going to write sink next to cat, because the cat did sink to the bottom. It did not float. S-I-N-K spells sink. Okay. Now, for my next item, I think I'm gonna try this purple pool noodle. So let's put that in the water and see if it sinks or floats. It floats. That's kind of not surprising, because you know, a lot of people use pool noodles at the pool because they do float, and they can help you float when you're in the water in the pool. So take a look at that. There we go. That's just floating away, right? Just like a little boat. So now I'm gonna go back over to my board, and I actually forgot to write pool noodle, so I'll write that. Pool, P-O-O-L, noodle, N-O-O-D-L-E. F-L-E. And the pool noodle floats. F-L-O-A-T-S. Floats. Okay, now my next item. Okay, so this is a Lego too. Now it's shaped differently. So do you think that because it's shaped differently that it's going to have a different outcome than this gray Lego? I'm not sure, but let's give it a try. Oh, it floats too. And so now we know. Legos float. See that? Okay. So I'll write over here on the board. Lego number 2. This marker, it's not working. Lego, L-E-G-O, number 2, floats. And put that back in there. Okay, so I think this guy, let's see what he does. Oh, he went to the bottom. See there? You can see all the stuff right there. What we have. And then we have the rubber ducky. What do you think the rubber ducky's gonna do? My guess would be it will float, because I know a lot of you may have rubber duckies as toys for bath time, and I think this one's gonna float. Well, Miss Nikki put him in there backwards. I'll fix. Whoa, that's tumbling everywhere. Oh, look, oh, the ducky floats. Yeah, I kind of knew the ducky would float. And our last item is this paintbrush. So let's try and see what happens with that. Hey, I'm really surprised about that. I'm surprised that the toothbrush is floating, because I kind of thought that that would go to the bottom because it's heavier, but it's actually floating. So let me write on the board, green person, G-R-E-E-N, person, sink, S-I-N-K. The rubber ducky, R-U-B-B-E-R, duck, D-U-C-K, floats, F-L-O-A-T-S. And the paintbrush, I'm pretty surprised, because I thought for sure that was going to sink, but it floated. So the paintbrush, P-A-I-N-T-B-R-U-S-H, floats, F-L-O-A-T. So there you have the results of our sink or float experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed doing this cool science experiment with me, and I hope that you try it at home. All right, kiddos, I'll see you soon. Virtual hug.